London fog and restless men planning to be reborn again. The sea, cried Harris, eyes aglow, salt wind where noble breezes blow. Fresh horizon, silver spray, strength restored in just one day. Deck chairs limed in gold alight, health and vigor overnight. But I have seen that rolling tide and what it does to manly pride. I've watched brave souls turn pale as chalk, too weak to stand, too sick to walk. They speak of waves with shining eyes, but pray for land and mercy cries. Romance lives in brochures bright, reality sways left and right. Oh, romance paints in glowing hue the things we dream but never do. But reality rocks the painted boat, and truth gets caught inside your throat. In 1889 we learned that comfort's rarely cheaply earned. The sea looks grand from city clay until you sail away. The man who praises ocean air has seldom met despair out there. He stands ashore with coat and cane and calls the voyage bracing pain. But ask the one below the deck who swears each wave will break his neck. The poetry fades, the glamour dies, salt water truth behind the lies. We love the story more than fact, the shining dream, the polished act. But life is less a painted scene and more the space that lies between. Romance glitters in the mind, reality comes unrefined, and men in foggy London town chose the river safe and brown. For sometimes wisdom's quietly found, not where the grandest tales resound, but where the steady waters flow and simple journeys go. London fogging restless men, London fogging restless men. London fog and restless men, fresh horizons, simple journeys go. London fog and restless men. For sometimes wisdom's quietly found. For sometimes wisdom's quietly found, but where the grandest tales resound, but where the steady steady waters flow, and simple journeys go. Romance glitters in the mind. Romance, simple journeys go. But I have seen how romance steady waters flow, and simple journeys go. But I have seen that rolling tide. 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 London fog and restless men.